surrender, immediate surrender in 30 minutes.
Yes.
Now there is a second very important thing that राजनाथ सिंह जी said. मतलब आपने पाकिस्तान को डायरेक्टली अपनी पॉलिटिकल विल बता दी कि आपके पास लड़ने की पॉलिटिकल विल है ही नहीं, कि आप लड़ना ही नहीं चाहते हो।
हमारे पायलट्स को टारगेट किया, हमारे फाइटर जेट्स को टारगेट किया, और उसके बाद क्या होता है? उसके बाद 2 दिन तक हमारे विमान उड़ान नहीं भर पाते। और यह बात किसने कही थी? यह बात कही थी सीडीएस जनरल अनिल चौहान ने, और इस बात का जिक्र भी राहुल गांधी ने अपने भाषण में दिया। आखिर डोनाल्ड ट्रंप 29 बार यह कैसे कह रहा है कि जंग मैंने रुकवाई?
इन द मॉर्निंग। और उसके बाद उन्होंने कहा, ही सेड ऑपरेशन सिंदूर लास्टेड 22 मिनट्स, and then he said the most shocking thing. He said at 1:35 we called Pakistan. We called Pakistan at 1:35 and we told them that we have hit non-military targets and we do not want escalation. These are the words of the Defense Minister of India. Now maybe he does not understand what he revealed. The DGMO of India was told by the government of India to ask for a ceasefire at 1:35 at night itself, on the night of Operation Sindoor. You told the Pakistanis exactly what you would do. You told them that we will not hit military targets. You told them we do not want escalation. Speaker sir, you imagine, 2 लोगों के बीच में लड़ाई हो रही है, 2 लोगों के बीच में लड़ाई हो रही है, एक आदमी जाके दूसरे को घूसा मारता है और फिर कहता है देखिए मैंने घूसा मार दिया, अब एस्केलेशन नहीं कीजिए। मतलब आपने पाकिस्तान को डायरेक्टली अपनी पॉलिटिकल विल बता दी कि आपके पास लड़ने की पॉलिटिकल विल है ही नहीं, कि आप लड़ना ही नहीं चाहते हो। और ये डिफेंस मिनिस्टर ने कहा है कि हमने, डिफेंस मिनिस्टर यहां हाउस में कह रहे कि हमने पाकिस्तान से जाके कहा कि हमने आपको एक झापड़ मारा है मगर हम आपको और झापड़ नहीं मारेंगे। हम एस्केलेशन नहीं चाहते हैं, आप रिस्पॉन्ड नहीं कीजिए और हम मिलिट्री टारगेट नहीं मारेंगे। मीनिंग द गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया informed the government of Pakistan that we have no political will, we don't want to fight, we have done this, we have just done this action. Surrender, immediate surrender in 30 minutes.
Yes.
Now there is a second very important thing that राजनाथ सिंह जी said of operation. मतलब अगर आप हिंदुस्तान की सेना, एयरफोर्स, नेवी का प्रयोग करना चाहते हो, आपके पास सबसे पहले 100% पॉलिटिकल विल होनी चाहिए। और दूसरा, अगर आप सेना का प्रयोग करना चाहते हो तो आपको फुल फ्रीडम ऑफ ऑपरेशन देना पड़ेगा। Sir, let us now move to Operation Sindoor. Yesterday I watched राजनाथ सिंह जी का भाषण में सुन रहा था, and I listened quite carefully when people speak. And Rajnath Singh ji said that Operation Sindoor began at 1:05 in the morning. और उसके बाद उन्होंने कहा, he said Operation Sindoor lasted 22 minutes. And then he said the most shocking thing. He said at 1:35 and face the air defense system of Pakistan. Meaning you tied their hands behind their back. Right? And the defense minister has said this in Parliament House itself, that we told the Pakistanis that we are not going to attack their infrastructure. इन्होंने बोला पब्लिकली हाउस में कि भैया हम आपके जो मिलिट्री इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर है, आपके एयर डिफेंस सिस्टम को हम नहीं अटैक करेंगे, और दूसरे साइड से आप हमारे पायलट भेज रहे हो, क्या होगा?
माननीय
हवाई जहाज गिरेंगे, राइट? सो द पॉइंट इज, नतीजा सारों को मालूम है. अनिल चौहान जी कहते हैं what was important was not the jet being down, but why they were being down. मतलब वो कह रहे हैं कि सवाल, जरूरी सवाल ये है कि जेट गिरे क्यों. वो कह रहे गिरे तो ठीक है, मगर सवाल, जरूरी सवाल है गिरे क्यों. और फिर उसके बाद कहते हैं what mistakes were made. The good part is we were able to understand the tactical. मतलब हमने आपको थप्पड़ मारा है मगर दूसरा थप्पड़ नहीं मानेंगे. That is what it means. When we say we don't want escalation, it means मैंने एक थप्पड़ मारा, दूसरा नहीं मानूंगा, तीसरा नहीं मानूंगा, चौथा नहीं मानूंगा. Why? Because the goal of this exercise was to protect the Prime Minister's image. The goal of the exercise, because he has the blood of the people of Pahalgam on his hands, the goal of the exercise was to make sure that he used the Air Force to protect his image. After that, Donald Trump has said 29 times. 29 times he said, 29 बार उन्होंने बोला कि भैया मैंने सीज फायर करवाया है. अच्छा, अगर वो झूठ बोल रहे हैं तो अपने भाषण में यहां प्रधानमंत्री कह दें कि वो झूठ बोल रहे हैं. यहां पे अगर दम है तो यहां पे प्रधानमंत्री बोल दे कि ट्रंप झूठ बोल रहे हैं. If he has the courage, if he has the courage of Indira Gandhi, let him say here, that Donald Trump, you're a liar. That you did not make us cease fire, and that we did not lose any planes. Let him say it here. If he has the courage. 50% भी है इंदिरा गांधी का तो यहां बोल देंगे. 50% होगा तो बोल देंगे. सॉरी सर, एक साइड से 7th फ्लीट आ रही है, बोल दीजिए सर. मजा आ रहा है.
ऐसा नहीं
सर अभी तो मैंने ओपनिंग नहीं किया सर.
आपका समय,
अभी तो मैं सेट हो रहा हूं.
समय आपका कम है.
अभी सेट हो रहा हूं सर, थोड़ी ढील दीजिए. अगर दम है, अगर सचमुच में दम है तो आज शाम यहां प्रधानमंत्री को कह देना चाहिए डोनाल्ड ट्रंप इज अ लायर. झूठ बोल रहा है डोनाल्ड ट्रंप. सर, एक नई चीज चली है, एक नया शब्द चला है, न्यू नॉर्मल. कि न्यू नॉर्मल है. एक्सटर्नल अफेयर्स मिनिस्टर नहीं है बट वो यूज करते हैं. मैन is having lunch with the President of the United States. He is sitting there. Our Prime Minister cannot go there. Mr. Trump is breaking all protocol and he's inviting the man. Prime Minister has not said, how dare Mr. Trump invite Mr. Munir to his office?
माननीय सदस्य, इसको माननीय सदस्य,
now let me say what Donald Trump has to say.
माननीय सदस्य, ये सदन,
let me say what Donald Trump has to say.
ये सदन की संपत्ति है.
Sorry,
इसको
sir.
मत तोड़ो।
सॉरी सर, गलती हो गई.
ये कहीं काम से आई।
Now, we have, according to this government, they have deterred Pakistan. End of the whole operation and lunch with the president. After that, the president of the United States says, reason I had him here was I wanted to thank him. I wanted to thank him for what? I wanted to thank him for not going into the war and ending it. Let me repeat it. The reason I had him here for lunch was I wanted to thank him, the man. I wanted to thank him for not going into the war and ending it.
Shame, very shame.
Now, currently, General Munir, US General Michael Kurilla, head of their command structure, and generals from 4 Central Asian countries right now are having a conference on how to prevent terrorism. Right now. So while these people are running around telling the world that Pakistan has done terrorism, the United States is having lunch with the man and organizing and trying to figure out how he can help them fight terrorism. I mean, which planet is the foreign minister sitting on? Like, please come down. I don't know where you're, come down. You have flown off somewhere. Right? The second thing. Now there's another new normal. There's another new normal. Fantastic idea. I don't know whose it was. At the end of the operation, by the way, the operation is still going on. They have declared victory, but it's still going on. Right? At the end of the exercise, they say, the government of India says, any act of terror is an act of war. Now, do you understand what this statement is saying? What this statement is saying is that any terrorist now who wants to make India fight a war has just got to do one attack in India. मतलब आपने पूरी की पूरी पावर आतंकवादियों को उठा के दे दी कि भैया आपको युद्ध चाहिए ना, आप एक अटैक कर दो, युद्ध हो जाएगा. It's craziness. You have taken the entire idea of deterrence and turned it upside down. Right? So today, no, 1 second, you're laughing. Tell me something. The next terror attack that happens, what will you do? What will you do? You'll attack Pakistan again? So now, the moment they know that you're going to attack Pakistan, they just have to do a terror attack and they know you're going. So, this government is clueless even about what deterrence means.